Hey everyone, so today is a beginner club dance lesson. We're going to go back to some basics and we're going to learn how to dance to Despacito, or more generally, Reggaeton. So Despacito's been out for quite a long time now, but judging from its YouTube views and the fact that it's still being played, I'd say that it's a club classic. And just like other Latin-based songs such as Hips Don't Lie or Gasolina, those songs were played for 5 years continuously in clubs, and even to this day, you'll still hear them remixed in some way. So this lesson came about when I was out in Mexico and they played Despacito, and I saw a lot of guys were struggling to keep the rhythm. And this is because reggaeton has a syncopated rhythm. It doesn't have a continuous steady rhythm like house, which goes like this. Reggaeton instead goes like which throws a lot of beginner dancers off. So in today's lesson, we're just going to do a practice to a basic reggaeton beat and make sure that you're on rhythm. And this is super important because I teach a lot of club dance partnering moves and how to dance with a girl, but if you don't have your rhythm down, then the partnering moves kind of fall apart. Okay, so let's get into the dance move. We're just going to start with basic stepping, which is a core dance move I teach in my club dance programs, which I teach along with lots of variations, combos, and transitions. And stepping just looks like this. It's pretty simple. You're just kind of like marching on the spot and shuffling around a little bit because I always love to create movement. And it's really important that you get this move down and automated so that you can free your mind up and do other dance moves. So stepping is a core dance move, like I mentioned, that I usually use for hip hop and for beginners to transition to other dance moves. And ultra beginners, this is what you're going to do. You just want to have your feet on rhythm, and you want to stop thinking about them, and you definitely don't want to be looking at your feet. Okay, if you think you got stepping down, then we can make it look a little bit more Latin. So we're going to work on having some hip movement. And this usually feels awkward for a lot of guys, but I promise you, if you get your hip movements down, then it'll just pay a lot of dividends when you start partnering and dancing with a girl. So the hip movement essentially goes like this: you step down, you stick out one hip, step down with the other foot, stick out the other hip. So the feeling is a little bit different from basic stepping, whereas we had more of an aggressive upper body rocking motion going on. Now, as we step, throw out a hip. So the short from behind for you guys. And once you have this isolation down, you can start isolating your upper body. So one thing you want to avoid is just having this teetering going on as you step. You want to isolate your upper body, use a mirror as it really helps, and you want to look at your reflection and just be doing this basic and not have too much teetering going on with your upper body. There's another dance move that I teach called the groove step, which also works really well. And I kind of use this more for like EDM tracks, but you can totally use the groove step as an alternative basic. The next thing you want to do, as always, is to create movements, so going back and forth and doing a slow turn. And this is something we're going to do as we do the practices. Okay, so the Latin basic is going to throw off some of you guys. It's going to feel really awkward, but I promise that if you work on it and practice it, then it'll pay dividends in your partnering dance. So let's move on to the practice now.